8 magnesium-rich foods that you need to include in your diet. Magnesium is an essential mineral with several health benefits. It can help metabolize carbohydrates and fat, synthesize protein and DNA, lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, and also help prevent osteoporosis. The mineral is a must for improved bone and heart health. The intake of magnesium in the human body happens only through food. The adult human body contains about 20 to 25 grams of magnesium, and around 60 to 70% of it is found in the bones. The recommended daily intake by the Indian Council for Medical Research is 340 mg of magnesium for men and 310 mg for women. A deficiency in magnesium can lead to muscle spasms, increased risk of heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, anxiety disorders, migraines, osteoporosis, and cerebral infarction. Conversely, consuming too much magnesium can cause diarrhea as the body attempts to excrete the excess. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. Include these 8 magnesium-rich foods in your diet to improve your intake of the mineral. 1. Fruits. While guavas, bananas, and papayas are also rich in magnesium, avocados are the most effective source of the mineral amongst fruits. A single slice of avocado can account for about 15% of your body's daily magnesium requirement. 2. Vegetables. When it comes to vegetables, dark leafy greens like spinach and darker lettuce leaves are among the top sources of magnesium. In addition to them, veggies like sweet corn, lima beans, peas, sweet corn, and potatoes are also great sources of magnesium. 3. Dark chocolate. Rich in magnesium and cocoa, dark chocolate is effective in reducing blood pressure. Intake of excess chocolate, however, can lead to unnecessary weight gain. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains, like brown rice, are generally packed with a lot of nutrients, including magnesium. Other whole grains like quinoa, millet, barley, and oats are also rich in magnesium, and hence, a great addition to your daily diet. 5. Beans. From the bean family, soybean ranks highest when it comes to magnesium content. In addition to them, white beans, French beans, black-eyed beans, and chickpea also contain a good amount of the mineral. 6. Dairy. Low-fat dairy products like yogurt are also packed with magnesium. Along with yogurt, goat and mozzarella cheese also contain significantly high amounts of minerals. 7. Seeds. Flax and chia seeds, amongst others, are known to be rich in magnesium. However, pumpkin seeds contain the highest amount of minerals. A single serving of pumpkin seeds accounts for a major portion of one's daily magnesium requirement. 8. Fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and halibut have a high magnesium content. In addition to that, they are also rich in protein, thus helping with the absorption of magnesium. The aforementioned foods can help increase your magnesium intake. Choose wisely when it comes to your food. Speak to India's top diet and fitness coaches to understand your options better. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.